Well, happy Wednesday, everybody. We are doing example 3 today. Example 3 of Independent Living Section 2. Section 2, reading a floor plan, right? So we have our learning targets, and today we're about computing the perimeter and area of a polygon, all right? So that's what we're doing today, example 3. Let me show you to that. You should already have examples 1 and 2 done. There are videos on that already. There's the video. There's example 1, the video for example 1. There's the video for example 2. There's example 2. And we are doing this. Gazebo time. Gazebo time. I've always wanted a gazebo. I have something like a bench swing with a roof over it, which I like, but I would always wanted one of these to have coffee in the mornings and the evenings. Maybe something screened in. But yeah, so these are neat little gazebos. They're often 8-sided octagons, but there's other shapes too. Delgado's landscape design is building a large gazebo for a backyard. It is in the shape of a regular octagon, as shown in the diagram. Each side of the gazebo is 10 feet, so each side of the octagon is 10 feet. They need to purchase wood for the floor, and it costs $14 per square foot for a special type of wood. Find the cost of the gazebo's floor. How do we go about doing this? Well, here's the solution. All 8 sides of the regular octagon are congruent, so they have the same length. Congruent means they all have the same length. It's one of our vocab terms for this lesson. To find the area of a regular octagon, you need its apothem and its perimeter. The apothem is shown in the diagram. The apothem, all right, is this right here. This is the apothem, is a line segment that goes through the center of the regular polygon that's perpendicular to a side. All right, so an apothem starts in the center of a regular polygon and goes perpendicular to one of the sides. All right, so the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. All right, A is the area of the regular polygon. A is the apothem. A is the apothem, and P is the perimeter. So let's see. Let's calculate the area of this regular octagon that has an apothem of 12 feet and a sides of 10. All right. Well, an octagon, first we need the perimeter, right? Well, an octagon has 8 sides, right? What's the perimeter of this octagon then? Well, it's going to be 80, right? 10 plus 10 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 feet in perimeter, the distance of all the way around the polygon. All right, 8 times 10, that's the perimeter. The apothem is 12 feet long. All right, so we're going to stick 12 in for A in our equation. We're going to stick 80 in for P in our equation, and we get the area of the polygon is equal to 1/2 times 12 times 80. Well, that equals 480 square feet. So we know that the area of this regular polygon is 480 square feet. Then multiply the area by the price per square foot to obtain the total cost. All right, well, we have 480 square feet. It's going to cost, where is it, $14 per square foot to build for a special type of wood. That's going to be $6,720. Woohoo! The flooring of this gazebo is going to cost $6,720. Ouch. Okay. Let's do this one. I'll give you, so try this. Give it a shot, and then pause me right now. Pause this video and give it a shot, and then we'll go over this one. All right, for the magic of video, I'm on pause. A regular regular pentagon has 5 sides, and it has an apothem of 9.3 feet. So let me just kind of, again, with a lot of these, you want to draw a diagram on a piece of paper if you got one. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let me see if I can do this. This is going to have 5. It looks like a Superman symbol, right? A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one doesn't look like a very regular pentagon, but I'm going to go with it. All right, it has 5 sides, right? Okay, so it has 5 sides, and it has a apothem of 9.3 feet. So the distance from the center of this pentagon is 9.3. and each side measures 12 feet. Express the area of the pentagon algebraically in square feet. All right. So let me rewrite my equation. The area of a regular polygon is equal to 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. Right? Okay, well, what's the apothem in this case? It's 9.3. So let me stick a 9.3 in there. 9.3. And the perimeter is going to be, well, it's going to be 12 times 5, right? 12 times 5 is 60, right? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So the perimeter is going to be 60. Now I've got to break out my trusty math machine. Trusty math machine, help me out here. What is 1/2 times 9.3 times 60? Well, that's 279. 279. That's going to be the area in square feet. 279 feet squared. 279 feet squared. All right. All right. That is the only one. And then, so your job is to do the next two. Your job is to do the next two. We have another regular pentagon, 5 sides. I'm giving you the area. I'm telling you what each side is. You'll have to figure out the length of the apothem. All right. That's just algebra. You'll do A equals 1/2 times the, you don't know what the apothem is, we'll call that A. We do know what the perimeter is, right? The perimeter is going to be 15 times 5. A pentagon has 5 sides. All right, and you're going to, and then we know what the area is. They told us the area is equal to 675. So you're going to solve for A, a little algebra there. And then I'm going to have you do, it has 5 sides, another pentagon, 5 sides. It has an area of 440 square units. Each side measures x units. Express the apothem of the pentagon algebraically in terms of x, which means your answer is going to have something like x equals something. All right, x equals something. Well, start with your equation. A equals 1/2 times A times P. All right, stick in, let's see, each side measures x. So how do I find the perimeter? I take each side, x, and I multiply it by how many sides there are. So x times 5, or sometimes we'll just call that 5x. Let's see, what else do they say? It has an area of 440. 440, I can stick that in there. And it measures x units. Express the apothem in terms of x. All right, so I'm going to need to get x all on one side, and then, oh no, I have to get all A. I'm sorry. I want to express the apothem in terms of x. So I want to get A all on one side on this. So this equation is going to look like A equals. So you're trying to get A by itself. You're going to move all of this stuff over here. All right, that won't be too bad. I think you've got this. All right, I'm Mr. Salt signing off. I'll see you in class.